Yes, good evening everyone. I hope I am audible. Yes, people on the YouTube, you may reply. Yes, am I audible? Yes, Sakshi, Narula, I hope you have a chat box. You may write there. Yes, sir. Yes, people on the YouTube, please reply. It's about 7 o'clock. Let the people come. Yes, Sakshi, are you there? You may unmute yourself. Yes, Sakshi, I know for which course you are. No, I hope. Yes, guys, it's 7 o'clock. Let's wait a few more seconds. Yeah, good evening, everyone. The session's name is Approximation and Calculations with respect to DI. So we'll be doing a few of the tricks how to handle DI, and then we'll apply those tricks on the actual paper questions. Right, guys? So am I audible, Sakshi? Are you there for the session? Are you a student? You may write in the chat box. Sakshi, am I audible? Am I audible? You may write in the chat box. Your interaction is very important for me. Yes, guys. Yes, Harshal. Harshal, you may join on the Zoom also. May give you the link. Harshal, you may join on the Zoom also. I may send you the Palmukan Thakur. Yes, is present. Yes, welcome Balmukan. Balmukan, you may unmute yourself. Nivya Nair is here. Very good. People are coming in. Yes, Arshal, you may join through the even Zoom link. Would you like to have the link? Yes, Balmukan, you may unmute yourself. I would like to listen something from you, from which place you are and what is for which course you are aspiring for. Yes, you may unmute yourself, Balmukan. Would you like to speak, or you may write in chat box if you don't wish to speak. Yes, Nivya Nair, you may unmute yourself. Okay, Harshal. Thank you, Harshal. Thanks for the response. Yes,
Yes,
Nivya,
sir.
may I know
Hello.
something
Good
about
evening.
yourself?
Yeah, sir. So I just completed my 12th with 92.8 percentage. I'm aspiring to join the IPMAT 2021 coaching program.
Great, great, great. You are from which place? Sorry,
I'm from Odisha.
Odisha. Great. So
Yes.
welcome to the session.
Thank you.
Few more people are there. Let me talk. Okay, Balmukan, you are preparing for CLAT. Great. Balmukan, you are from which place? Yeah, a few more people are there. Yes, Aditya. You are from which place, Balmukan? You are a native of which place? I hope I am audible. Chandigarh. Okay, great. Yes, Nirmal is here. Nirmal, would you like to speak something for which course you are preparing for or aspiring for even?
Sir, I am preparing for IPMAT.
IPMAT. Okay, you are from which place?
I'm from Chhattisgarh.
You are from Chhattisgarh. Okay. Is this going to be your first attempt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Really great. Okay.
Sir, actually, I am from maths stream.
You are from math stream, no problem. That's good. That's even better. Okay. Yeah. It will give you an added advantage, right? Okay. May I wish to speak to now Aditya. Aditya, may you know something about yourself? Yes, Aditya.
Good evening, sir. I'm Madhu.
Good evening. Yeah, good evening, Aditya.
I will also be giving IPM for the first time.
Okay.
I'm currently in 12th standard.
And where from where? Which
I'm
place?
from Madhya Pradesh,
Uh,
Gwalior.
You're from MP. Great. Really. Welcome to the session. Very good to listen to the people from far off places. Yes, Shubham. Yes, Shubham, may I know something about yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I am
please.
also preparing for the same
Yes, please
IPM.
speak loud. Yeah. Yeah,
Yes,
Shubham,
sir. I am also preparing for the same.
for the IPM. Okay. You are from which place?
I'm from Gujarat.
You're from Gujarat. Really great. Welcome to the session. Uh,
Thank you, sir.
okay. Harsh, Sushant, Sneha, we are just starting the session. Few people are Mukesh. So, guys, let us, yeah, a few more people are there. Kashika is here. Amit Sahu is here. So, welcome all of you. We'd like to listen from all of you one by one. So, let us start the session. So, DI approximation oblique calculations, right, guys? So, please mute yourself if someone is, yeah, right. Okay. So people are from far off places. So let us see. We should have some value addition in today's class. Harshal is there on YouTube. So approximation plays an important role. So in DI, see, data interpretation plays a very important role. Uh, you can't say specifically DI because DI is going to be a manager's prerequisite. Right. To be a manager, you should be good at data interpretation, number crunching, data crunching, all this stuff. So what are the basic skills required? The first skill required is the, I can say, calculation. Second, percentage fractional equivalent. We are not going to cover in this session this part, but still I will give you a brief idea. Third is change. And fourth is percentage change. Fifth is approximation. See, approximation is the key to success. Right, guys? So I wish someone is wish to say something. Good evening, Sushant. Very good evening to all of you. So we'd like to have a chit chat with all of you, right? So we are having very less time to still. So we'd like to start the session. Okay, so approximation is the key to success. The more you have guts to approximate, you can say the better of are your chances to be selected in any of the good competitive exam, be it IPM, be it CLAT, or be it any other, right? In calculation, you should be good at numbers. For numbers, I give you technique. You should be have tables at your fingertips, 12 to 19, squares till 35, and cubes till 15 at least, and prime numbers till 100. Apart from that, you should be good at your percentage fractional equivalent. These are going to be integral part of every paper. If I ask you a simple thing, what is 12.5% of 800? Do you know what is it? 12.5% of 800. I wish to have first five answers. It's 100. Right, because I knew 12.5% is 1 by 8. May you know what is 87.5% of 1600? I knew it is 7 by 8. So basically you have to simply find 7 by 8 of 1600. It's 1400. Okay, guys? So these things helps a lot. So how much to remember? So for percentage fractional equivalent, you should remember from 1 by 1 to 1 by 16. For example, I say 1 by 12 is very important number. 1 on 12, right? Employees को साल में एक महीने का बोनस दे दिया, एक महीने की छुट्टी दे दी. It's very important to know 1 by 12. We know how much percent it is. It is 8.33%. Right. So these are the basic stuff you should know, that percentage fractional equivalent is very important to be good at DI. Next is change and percentage change. This is what we're going to cover because this is going to be part of each and every question. Data changes from X to Y. Right. So I am doing it very quickly. Let us say initial data is 20, final data is 30. So listen very carefully. May I know what is the change? Yes, guys, you may write in your chat box quickly. We know what is the change. Hurry up. It's 10. Absolutely, Nivya. Good, Sneha. If I ask, what is percentage change? Yes. What it could be? You have a guess? Yes, Sneha, you may speak. How to calculate? Yes, I'm giving you a chance to speak, and please tell me something about yourself. We will having a chit chat with all the people, so that we may know your aspirations. Yes, Sneha, you may unmute yourself. You gave the correct answer, percentage. May I know what is the percentage change? Sneha, are you able to unmute yourself? No? I hope so. Yes, Sneha, are you able to unmute yourself? No. Okay, would yeah, Mukesh. Mukesh, what should be the answer? Yes, Mukesh, are you there? Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mukesh, what should be the answer?
Sir, 10 upon 30.
10
into
upon
100.
30. Okay, Mukesh, may I know from which place you are and what you are, for which course you are aspiring for?
Sir, I'm from Uttarakhand
Okay, great.
and I'm preparing for CLAT.
Okay, great. So it's Mukesh is saying it's 10 by 30. Good, well tried. Okay, I wish to have few more people. Some more people are still in the waiting room. Sorry. Yeah, a lot of people wish to join. Yeah, I'm at. Let all them come. Yeah. Yes, guys, welcome to the session. A few people have recently joined, so welcome all of you. So we are discussing few tips for DI approximation, right, guys? I have to repeat. So welcome all of you in the session. So I said basically the session is DI approximation and calculation. People are coming, MD officers, Sriyash Jain. Yes, welcome all of you in the session. So I said DI approximation and calculation. So 5 things are required to be good at DI. One is, first thing I say is calculation. For calculation, your tables, pair, cubes will not ask today. Okay, then Harshit Jain is there, Harshit Singh is there. Let me admit him. Calculation, after calculation, it is approximation, it is percentage fractional equivalent. So percentage fractional equivalent, yeah, percentage fractional equivalent means you should be able to understand people are still coming in. Third is change. Fourth is percentage change. Fifth is approximation. As I said, approximation is the key to success. We'll see, we'll try to apply in the questions. Right. So calculation, your table square cube should be very good. Your percentage fractional equivalent 1 by 1 to 1 by 16 in the one go, right? 1 by 1 to 1 by 16. People are still coming. Then change and percentage change. Just hold on. Yes, guys. So I am going quickly. So we are not able to move due to people being adding. So today's session, we are going to clearly cover the change and percentage change. So I am coming data changes from X to Y. So guys, listen very carefully. Initial figure is 20, final figure is 30. When I'm talking about change, Arna is coming. When I'm talking about change, I am talking about absolute change. Absolute change is 10, I wish, right? So I say data changes from X to Y. It is 30 to 10. So absolute change is 20. So it is decreased though. When I'm talking about percentage change, in first case, it is 10 upon 20 into 100, not 10 by 30. In second case, it is 20 by 30 into 100. Is it okay, guys? So first case, it is 50%. Second case, it is 66.67%. So we have to rush a bit because we wish to understand the concept. So idea is this thing you have to do in each and every question. I hope I am audible, right? So percentage change, one thing you should remember that change upon old value into 100. This is going to be an integral part of every question. So you should understand that the data changes from 20 to 30 difference unless until stated otherwise. It is 10 upon 20 into 100. Here it is 20 upon 30 into 100. If it is decreased, there is a negative sign to it, but the value is 66.67%. Is this okay? Anyone have any doubt in it? Please ask quickly. I need your response quickly so that we will proceed with the concept. Yes, guys. Yes or no? Just write yes or no. See, your interaction is very important for me.
Also, you can move ahead.
Right? Is a yes. So difference upon old value into 100. So if data, I repeat, if data has changed from 118 to 218. Yes or no? So if I'm asking about what is the change is 100. Value 200 minus 118. But if I'm asking about percentage change, so percentage change will be 100 upon 118 into 100. Is it okay, Arna, now? Yes. Muhammad Afsar, is it okay now? It is not by 200, right? So base value you have to take. So first normal basic mistake the people do, as Balmukunda is saying, that difference upon old value in 200. Now, okay, now I am doing a question. I am writing the answer first. Let us say I'm giving, it's very important. Right. So I'm changing, saying data changing from X to Y. So listen very carefully, guys. This is going to be the game changer thing. 195 to 175. Data changes from 195 to 175. If I'm asking what is the change? The change, when I'm talking about change, I'm talking about value only. Right. So change is of 20. Now listen very carefully. Right. But when I'm talking about percentage change, good evening, Sonil. When talking about percentage change, it is going to be 20 upon 195, good Aditya, into 100. Is it okay, guys? Yes or no? Till now, okay. The difference upon old value into 100. I'm not coming to the answer. I am just asking, is this okay? So by yes. Now listen very carefully. Normally you do 5 4 the 539 the, we will not do like that. Now listen very carefully. I will not multiply by 100. Why? Because by multiplying by 100, you are ensuring 20 is how much percent of 195. I repeat, by multiplying by 100, you try to ensure that 20 is how much percent of 195. 20 195 का कितने परसेंट है अगर हिंदी में बात करूं मैं? Is it okay? Leave the question aside. If I ask you what is 10% of 718, may you know the answer? If I ask what is 10% of 718, can someone reply to me to this answer? It is
71.8.
Absolutely, really great. May I ask what is 1% of 718?
7.18.
Absolutely, 7.18. Because it is very easy to calculate 1% or 10% of a number. Believe me, what we are going to learn is going to be a game changer. Because I repeat, it is very easy to calculate 1 or 10% of a number, because 10% में हम एक डेसिमल के बाद पॉइंट लगा देते हैं, 1 के बाद एक पर लगा देते हैं, 0.1 के बाद एक और पे आ जाएगा. Because it is very easy to calculate 1% or 10% of a number, हम इसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Right. I said 20 upon 195 into 100. I didn't write 100 because by writing 100 आप ensure करते हैं कि 20 195 का कितने परसेंट है. Right? Okay guys? So may I know, so we do it by comparison. May I know what is 10% of 195? Yes guys? It is
19.5.
Absolutely. हमारा दिमाग में वैसे काम करना चाहिए कि had it been 19.5 upon 195,
19.5.
my answer would have been exactly 10%. अगर क्वेश्चन 19.5 upon 195 होता तो मेरा आंसर 10% होता. But figure in question is not 19.5, it is 20. So answer should be slightly more than 10%. So instead of finding the answer, you will see what could be the answer. So option A is the answer. Is this okay? Should I repeat? I repeat. First thing is difference upon old value. We will not write 100. We will do it by comparison. Comparison भी 1% or 10%, because 1% or 10% हर बच्चा बहुत आसानी से निकाल लेता है. I say 10% of 195 is 19.5. Had it been 19.5 upon 195, my answer would have exactly been 10%. But figure in question is not 19.5, it is 20. It is slightly more than 10%. So answer should be option number A. So guys, are you ready for some another question? Right. So 1% and 10% technique is going to be game changer. It is very much faster than even calculator. Right. Asha, why is there? Right. I give you another question. 433 to 337. Let us keep the option same. May you know the difference? It is 96 upon 433. Is it okay? How I have calculated very fast. See, you have to think always in terms of blocks. जितना block में सोचने की आदत डालोगे उतना आसान होगा. Think 433 as 437. So 337 to 437 is a gap of 100. It is 4 less. So I directly wrote 96. Right. Is it okay, guys? So 10% is 43.3. So जितना approximate confidence से करोगे उतना आपका math DI sharp होगा. Leave 0.3. So but figure is very high. 20% is double approximately. It is 86. 30% is more. It is 120 something. So answer 96 is between 86, 20 and 30%. May I know what should be the answer? Answer is definitely between B, C and D. What should be the answer? Yes, guys. Any guess? Should I repeat what I have done? See, please ask if you are not clear. I will
C.
explain each and every point. Yeah, what should be the answer?
C. 22.18.
22.18. Okay. Anyone else? So how many of you are opting for C and how many are opting for D? Just write. Rajni is saying C. I need answer from all of you. Ranjal C, Arna C, Sneha C. Right?
C.
It's C. Absolutely. It's C. Right. C. 86 very near to 96. Right. So answer is nearing 20%. So if you had to calculate, Anna, I repeat, first step is, I hope you did the previous question. Yes or no? Yes, Anna? You did the 195 to 175? Okay, now you will be able to understand. This question is 433 to 437, 337. Difference is of 96 upon 433. 10% is 43, leave 0.3. 20% is 86, double of it, because I have to reach till 96. And 30% is more than that. So answer is about 20 less than 30. I said instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. कि आपको आंसर निकालना नहीं है, देखना आपका आंसर क्या हो सकता है. So 86 की वैल्यू 20% है, तो 96 can it be 22 or 28? Common sense says it is 22% because it is nearer to 86. Is it okay, guys? Yes, Anna? But if you had more close choices, let us say something for 24 point something, right? Then we will say you will have to do with next line of approximation. Second line of approximation is 1%. But अगर option और close होंगे तो 1% पर आएंगे. So how we'll think? We'll think till 86 is 20%. We have to reach till 10 more. आपको लिखना नहीं है, मैं बता रहा हूँ. So 86 upon 433 is nearing 20%. So next figure is 10 upon 433. If second line of approximation is required, that will be only in 3 to 4% cases. In 95-96% of cases, your first line of approximation will work. So say I said 10% is 43, so 1% will be 4.3, 2% will be 8 point something, and 3% will be 12 point something. So your figure is, Fatima is there, is 10, and which is lying between 2 and 3%. So answer should be between 22 and 23. So this is the answer. Is this okay? Should I repeat it? Please reply, because I am going to give you a bunch of questions for to solve that. Here they are coming. If you
Yes,
are
sir.
not,
Please
anyone
repeat.
wish to repeat?
Yes, sir.
Repeat, sir.
Okay. You know who's asking? May I know who's asking? Yeah.
Sir, I am asking.
Your good name?
Nirmal.
Nirmal. Okay, Nirmal. Okay. So because okay, now I am able to see. See, lot of people have joined now. I am repeating. Nirmal, listen. You reply. You keep on. Uday, your camera is on. If you wish to switch off the camera, you can switch off.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Uday, your camera is on. You may switch off your camera. Okay. Yeah, thank you. I said data is 433 to 337. Nirmal, are you there? Yes, are you listening to me? So difference is 96 upon 433. I said हमने करना 1 or 10% सही. 10% of 433 is 43. 20% 86. But figure is 96. Had been 86 upon 433, answer 20 के आसपास होगा. So 30% will be more. 43 10% है, 30% 129 होगा in short. So answer is between this and this. 20 और 30 के बीच आंसर होना चाहिए. ऑप्शन 2 है. तो अगर आपको एग्जैक्ट देखना है तो रिमेनिंग चेक करो 10 433 का कितने परसेंट है. ओके निर्मल, जो अगली अप्रोक्सीमेशन होगी वो 1% से होगी. जब 10% 43 है तो 1% 4.3 है, 2% 8.6 है, 3% 12 पॉइंट समथिंग होगा. फिगर हमारी 10 है जो परसेंटेज में 2 और 3 के बीच में होगी. तो 20 + 2 और 20 + 3 के बीच में एक ही ऑप्शन है 22.18. इज इट ओके निर्मल? यस, प्लीज रिप्लाई यस और नो. Yes, Nirmal, is it clear? Are you there? Okay, so guys, are you ready for the few of the questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I'm giving a question in the group of 5. Here are the first 5 questions. This is it. First, I have already done. Let me see how many of you are able to do it. This is a bunch of 5 questions. See, these are from actual paper figures, right? So if you master this technique, this is going to be a game changer. First question we have already done, it is 22.17. Instead of finding the answer, you have to see what could be the answer. Yes, may I know what should be the answer to the second question? Anyone?
9.81.
9.81. 9.
Sir, 10.88.
10.88. Okay, let me check. 533 to 593. Think. Had it been 593, it would have been 60. 2 कम है तो 58. 58 upon 530.
58 का गैप आ
See, 10% is 53.3. So 53.3 तो 10 होता, तो it should be slightly more than 10%. And only option that is slightly more than 10% is 10.88. Option C. Is it okay, guys? Any clarity
Yes,
needed?
sir.
Right? Okay, do question number 3, 4, and 5. Hurry up. See, the ideal time for doing a question is in 1 minute. If you are good at the numbers, it takes 20 seconds. So in 1 minute, you can do 2.5 question. In actual, when you are in the classes, we give you exercise of 45 question to cover it in 18 minutes, 15 to 18 minutes. This is just a tip of the iceberg. I am giving you just an idea how to handle the things. See, professional make things look easier because they are good at their fundamentals. Your fundamentals should be very strong. These are the bases. हम सीधी बड़ी बड़ी बातें नहीं कर सकते, right? तो अच्छा सीए क्यों? क्योंकि बेसिक ऑफ अकाउंटिंग अच्छे होते हैं. Third is minus 24.56. Good, Rupesh, very good. It's fourth. Third is 55.03. Absolutely.
Third is 55.03.
Absolutely right. Is it Nivea or?
Yes, sir, Nivya.
Okay, Nivea, great. And what about fourth?
Last one is minus 36.15.
Absolutely amazing. Last one is my. May I know who's speaking because I am not able to see your name.
Dvija.
Okay, great. Very good. Okay, so guys, I hope you have tried it. So it's all about correction of thought process. Listen, मैंने पूरा step by step में कैसे करूँगा? First part is difference. See how to see the difference. Instead of doing 15 minus 7, think it as 500. Always do it in blocks. See, try to learn something. If you are come here, to have some change in thought process. थोड़ा सा thought process बदलो. 500 से 755 में there is a gap of 255. Agreed? And you have left 13 behind. So directly you can visualize this 268. Is it okay? Had it been 500, 500 से 755, 255 direct नजर आता है. 13 हमने already छोड़ा है. So it is 268 upon 487. So confidence से approximate करो. 10% 48.7. Think it as 51. 50% 250. Roughly. So it is more than 50 and less than 60. Only option is 55.03. Options are very vague, right? Your nature of approximation will depend on your nature of choices. If the choices are vague, you can do it with 10%. If choices are a bit close, you can have to do it 1 second line approximation 1. If more closer, then 0.1%. This is more simpler. It could be 400 and 300. So 100 by 400, it is 1 by 4, 25%. Right? Or you do it by 99 upon 399. So 10%, 39.9 से 40. जहाँ point आया उसे approximate करो. 20% 80. So it is more than 20, less than 30. So only option suits is 24.56. This last 514 to 814, it is 300. 9 less, 291 upon 805. 10% 80.5. 20% leave 0.5. 20% 160. 83 the 24.
161.
Yeah, it is more than 30 and less than 40. So 36.1. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
10% 824 पर जाना ना हमने 291. So 10% 80 83 the 24 84 the 32. It should be more than 20, 30 and less than 40. अगर आपको दो ऑप्शन होती, लेट अस से 32 and 36, तब हम कैसे सोचते? 240 तक तो आपका 30% है, रिमेनिंग 51 805 का कितने परसेंट है? तो नेक्स्ट अप्रोक्सीमेशन इज बाय 1%. 1% is 8, leave aside point. 8 6 the 48. So you have to move 6% more. Is it clear what I have told? Had there been
Yes,
two options,
sir.
right? So it's a wonderful thing. It's all about changing the thought process. So you can do a lot of things approximately much faster than calculator. I can challenge. You sit in front of me by solving with calculator. Someone who knows this technique may do it faster than the calculator. Any query in the 5 questions? So there are some more concepts in it. So that's why I'm asking. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm giving you the time pressure, right? A bunch of more 5 questions. So how much time is needed? What do you think to solve 5 questions? It's up to you. You decide. Give me answer. कितने मिनट चाहिए 5 क्वेश्चन के लिए? What do you think? 1 मिनट में कितने हो सकते हैं परसेंटेज चेंज? Any guess? Or what do you think till at your level now? उतना ही वक्त दूंगा मैं. Hurry up. Don't feel shy. We should answer from your 5 minutes for 5 questions. 2-3 minutes. 1.5 minutes. You patient. So okay, we are giving an average 2 minutes, right? Next bunch of question, 5 questions, 2 minutes. Yes, not 10, Joel Victor. It's too much. 2 minutes. We don't have so much time. 2 minutes. Yes. Let me see how many of you are able to do it. Yes, anyone who had done the question number 6? Absolutely, Mukesh. Good, Rupesh. Very good.
It's Dvija. It's
Sorry,
my
sorry.
dad's account.
Okay. It's first option. What about second? Hurry up, guys. Very good. Mukesh, just recheck. See, I will discuss all the questions. Don't worry. The answer to the second question is fourth option. Absolutely. Third. Good, mom. Yes, very good. Second option. I've just given you the idea. What about fourth? Then after this, we'll learn a very wonderful thing. And we'll try, if time permits, to apply these things on the actual blocks. Yeah, it's 29.89, absolutely. And what about the last? Here options are close. Question number 10. Yes, guys. Yeah, absolutely 16.8. So may I discuss any of the question? I discuss all of them. Listen, see, this is 625 upon 905, 10% 90.5, 97 the 63. So 630 per 70 hota hai, slightly less than 70 is 69.06. So how many of you did the correct answer to the question number 6? Just write yeah, why. How many have you had the correct answer? Right, good, Nivya, very good. Anyone else? Good, very good. Yes, Mohammad Afsar, you gave it correct. Mukesh too. Yes, Rajnish, very good. What about the second? See, 721 say, I think, great. All correct. Very good, Rajnish. So it is 200, 215 upon 721, 10% 72, 73 the 21. 72 को think as 70 as 2. जितना ब्लॉक में थिंकिंग करोगे उतना काम आसान होगा. 210 plus 6, so 216 per 30 होगा, slightly less than 30, it is 219. So similar is this. So I wish to discuss this question number 10. The gap is of 127 upon 752. How I thought, right? So 752 से 852 तक आपका गैप 100 का है, 27 मोर है. 10% 75, 20% 150. So definitely instead of doing the answer, I should see what could be the answer. But now here is a catch. The answer, there are two options between 10 and 20. Now you can have to innovate. 10% when 75 है तो 5% roughly 37 होगा. तो add करके 112. So 112 तक 15 is more than 15. So 16.89 is the answer. Okay, guys. So this is something. So before learning new thing, people are moving out. So I would wish to discuss few of the questions. Before that, see, people who are there for the courses CLAT, the course is starting on 27. There's a features 150 hours of live classes, 250 recorded concept, 150 plus mocks. Includes lot of mocks. See, the more you attempt mocks, higher are your chances, and new books and Telegram groups, all the stuff that is required to prepare for the classes. And this is, I say, for the course, regarding course. So you can see so the fees for the IPM is 39.99. So the IPM and for the CLAT it is 49.99, and the reduced fee is 36.499. So you can see the percentage change. See, the percentage reduction is 25%. You can check difference upon old value. 50,000 का 1,000 का 1 lakh का 25% is 25,000. It is 12,500, right, guys? So this is the fees for the CLAT. So CLAT is a comprehensive course, and the fees for your IPM is 2999. So you have to apply this coupon. This is 40,000 to 30,000. So now you won't do the mistake. It is 100, 10 upon 40, 25%. So you have to apply IPM this coupon. So this is grad hitbullseye.com. This is the link. I hope you can take a screenshot of this. This is the people. Most of people are for IPM. You can take a screenshot for the link. When you connect to this link, you will directly end up at the landing page. Is it okay, guys?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is for the CLAT. These are the features: 3 live lectures per week, 250 plus recorded concept videos, 16 IPM online tests. There is 24/7 Telegram discussion group. So a lot of features. And for any counseling, you can. This is IPM, not IMP, right? So grad dot. This is for the. Right, this all included in this your whole course. In your bigger CLAT, you have all the test series, right? Okay, so if you join this CLAT course, this is a comprehensive course. This is having more than, see, it is the right time to join. So early bird catches the worm. I hope you understand. So you'll be having the facilities of availing all the features if you have the time, right? You can see 150 hours of live classes, 250 recorded concept videos, 150 mock test. Right. If you wish to avail all the facilities, we will be giving the facility later on also, but you should have the time now. Right. So ebooks and all the Telegram group. So you will have all the time to enjoy the facilities. Right. And this is the fees and you have to apply this coupon. So you may contact our counselors, right? And you have this number and this is the connect. When you have this connect, you will reach to the landing page, right? So this is Pranjal. Yeah, you may contact at this number. You will be given all the details. Okay, Pranjal, have this number. You may have all type of query cleared, right? The batch is continuing starting from, I think that is on December 27th. And this is the landing page. I repeat, this is for the CLAT fees, features and CLAT fees. This is for the IPM features and IPM fees. Right, guys? So this is IPM fees. Okay, so obviously you will be, Sushant, you will be starting the batch from the 27th. It is the right time, Sushant, to join. Okay, so this is something I have conveyed. So let us move, let us apply the thing that we have learned here. Okay, this is the question. This is the question. Let us do what we have learned. Let us apply this before moving further.
Okay.
Yeah, let us apply. Profitability is defined as a profit as a percentage of sales. See, which firm has the highest profitability? If I ask firm A की अगर profitability की बात करें, profitability is profit as a percentage of sales. You have to read between the lines. So firm A has a profitability of 4913 upon 24568. I am doing it in a bit hurry because we wish to cover some more things. Firm B has a profitability of 4075 upon 25468. Firm C has a profitability of 4750 upon 23752. And firm D has a profitability 3946 upon 1572. Absolutely. 15782. So may I once again you please pronounce your name, who has been enrolled by the name Rupesh. It's
Dvija,
Drija. Drija, from which place you are?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay, so you are great. So you are doing plus 2? Drija, you are in
Sorry.
plus 2 or in plus 1?
+2 in
Plus
fact 2022.
2022. Okay. Which school?
I passed out of 10th. I'm in Mithibai College.
Mithibai College. Great. So I hope you have done it with the approximation, this question.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, now this is the trick. So first thing is, whenever you get a need to compare, see, there are two ways of solving DI question. See, since all of you are here, I wish you should learn something. आप लोगों ने टाइम लगाया तो कुछ चीज सीखो. जब भी कंपैरिजन होगा, there are two ways. First is to calculate A, B, C, and D, then check. Second shortcut is just jot down the values. It's a myth कि values लिखने में time waste होता है. Time waste नहीं होता. It take at the most 10 to 15 seconds to jot down the values. और आपको अपने आप ही benchmark मिल जाता है. Can I say 10% of 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 is 2456? Think 2456 as 2400 plus 56. See, guys, please listen carefully. So I am talking about A. Right. So 20% will be double 48 plus 112. So this figure is nearing 20%. So I have got a benchmark of 20%. Now B is 10% 2500, 20% 5000. No way, no need to check. Here is a catch. 10% 2375. 20% is 4600 plus 150. So this is nearing 20%. This figure is nearing 20%. Now there is a catch. Lot of people will get confused in it and will try to find the exact. But instead of doing this, let us check the fourth. 10% 1578. Take it as 1600. More approximation. 20% is 3200. And this is further 8800, 5% more. So this figure is nearly
25%.
So no need to calculate any of these. So answer is D option. You did like this, Hidrija? Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
I was confused because B and C was the same,
Yeah.
but then I just did D.
Yeah, that is the skill. So if some things are very close, that are going to be a trap. But before going getting into trap, just check. These are actual paper IPM question. Right, guys? So I hope all of you have got it, how to do it. So first tip is, whenever you get a chance to have the comparison, just don't check one by one, just jot down the values. You will no need to calculate any of the figure. I hope the message is clear. सबको समझ आ रहा है? Any query in this question you may ask? Question asked is highest profitability, not the lowest. Okay, Pranjal? Is it okay? Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So let us have one more trick in approximation for that is the pie chart. You will encounter in the real-time pressure also. Let us see. Let us do this question. Let us clear the screen. Just read the question. I give you 1 minute to solve. I hope the figures are visible. 24%, 70%, 12, 26, 21. This is 28, 8, 14, 24, 26. And the information is given in front of you. Do you think we need to solve this question?
No, it's Safari.
It's see, first thing you have to see that you have to see among the option given.
All right. Okay.
Right. First thing, don't rush, don't solve all the values. Safari is not there even in the options. Right. So first check the option which are given.
C.
C. I doubt. See, let us try to see one by one. In 1998, the total is 2000. In 1999, this figure is 2500. Question
Option D.
less than that in 98.
Option D.
Yeah, option D is the answer. Do we need to check Centro? We don't need to check Centro. Because it is 2600, 26%, it is 28%. The percentage is more, total is more, so there is no chance of getting less figures. So Centro cannot be the answer. Then, it is 24%, it is 24%. Percentage is same, but total is more. So definitely 99 is going to be more. No need to check that. Marty, this is 21%, it is 26%. Percentage is more, total is more. So definite cannot be the answer. When these three are not the answer, fourth option has to be the answer. Is it okay? We did not calculate anything. Guys, remember, it's the smart work that matters in the actual real-time pressure. These are not your academic papers where you have to solve everything in detail. I hope the message is clear. Do I need to repeat? नहीं समझ आया तो मैं repeat कर दूं.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, all of you? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Right. May I move to the next question? Right. So this is the another. Okay, we are left with few minutes. So I give you one more tip in the percentage change that is required. Would you like to do the question? Yes. Okay. This is a oil company uses different modes of transport for transport. I hope you are comfortable in pie charts. Total tonnage is 12 million ton and total cost incurred is 30 million rupees. So I am going to give you another important tip. This is ship. This is 9%. This is ship. This is 10%. So if I ask cost per ton by ship, you know the answer? Cost per ton. Obviously, you have to take costing in the numerator and tonnage in the denominator. Is it okay? So may I know the answer?
9% of 30 million.
10% of 30 million rupees. Because costing is you have to put in numerator. And tonnage in denominator. Cost per ton. So 9% of 12 million ton. Right, percentage cancels out. 3 3 the 3 10 the 2 5 the 2 6 the 2 3 the 2 5 the. It is 25 by 9 to 2 point something. 9 to the 18 7 2.7. Right. I hope you are able to find the costage now. I give you a question to solve. This is the question. PQRB the cost incurred per ton by crude oil by ship, air and road. Then the correct answer is you have already solved ship. Now the question is about air and road. Yes, what should be the correct answer? Yes. See, even you don't need to solve this question. See, what we are doing, P is 10% of 30 million rupees and 9% of, this is actual paper question, 12 million ton, last to last year. 18. Q is 7% of 30 million rupees upon 11% of 12 million ton. And R is, what is R? Is 6% of 30 upon 22% of 12 million ton. It is last to last year IPMAT, 2 years back. I think IPM Rohtak, most probably. Okay. Yes, Pranjal. Now see, what we are doing the mistake, हम लोग पहले ऊपर solve कर रहे हैं, फिर नीचे divide कर रहे हैं, फिर कर रहे हैं. Can you see that this figure is common in all, isn't it? Yes or no? This 30 by 12, yes guys, please reply. I'm waiting for your reply. This 30 by 12 is common in all, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So why to do the double labor for solving? यहाँ तो 30 है. Had it been 2952 or 2713, it would have been more difficult. So this can be left out because we are comparing. Right. So this is a common number. The ratio which is higher will multiplying by common number give you the higher result. So percentage cancels out. So P is 10 by 9. Q percentage cancels out. It is 7 by 11. R is 6 by 22. 6 by 22 is 3 by 11. So you can see that it is more than 1, and between 7 by 11 and 3 by 11, Q has to be more. So P is greater than Q is greater than R. So the learning is, whenever there is a combination of pie chart and you have to compare, just leave the total aside. Is it okay, guys? Because this is even 30 by 12 is common. Had it been 2952 and this have been 7318, so the calculation would have been more tougher. Right? These sort of paper questions are there. So they will check your common sense. Any query in this question? We have to compare na PQR. So it is the comparison of ratios only. Till you have to find the value, तब तक आपको total लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You don't need to take the total. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Yes, Nivia?
Yes, sir.
Right, Joel? So any query from your side, guys? This is it. It's 8 o'clock. I wish to do a few more things, but time is not permitting us. So hope to see you in the classes. So I hope you have got some idea how to handle DI.
Yes, sir.
So okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for being so long in the session. So all the best. Wish to see you in the classes. Bye bye. I'm KJS
Thank
Khurana signing off. If you still have any query, you may ask. I'm here for a minute.
No, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. Welcome all of you. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, thank you.